In this video, I want to talk about how you can get money back from trading 212. Now, to do this, what you need to do is you need to have some cash available. Now, this means it needs to be free cash. And what this means is it cannot be into any stocks or something that you have invested. So if you have it in stocks or something, you're going to need to sell those stocks before you can withdraw the money. After that, simply go in here and click on Withdraw Funds, which will be under Manage Funds, and then you will be able to withdraw your money and get money back. Now, if you had some sort of issue with trading 212 and you invested some money that didn't actually work, it didn't get invested even though you lost the money, what you need to do is contact their support. So head in here again, scroll down and find Contact Us, and then you can contact them. So that is basically how it works, guys. I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.